A lot of aliens came to Earth but got stuck in chewing gum on the way. Then a big truck came, and the aliens quickly hid in the gap between the truck's tires, freeing themselves from the sticky gum. After this, they saw a humanoid spaceship in front of them, and a plastic bag was also visible. They used that plastic bag to fly, hoping it would take them to the spaceship. But suddenly, a bus came and flew away with the plastic bag. The bus driver turned on the wipers, and the aliens were dropped onto the edge of the spaceship just in time. Then they climbed onto the top and finally got back into the spaceship. The pilot of the spaceship took control of a human taxi and politely asked the taxi driver to open the car door and pull the passenger out. The taxi driver was so scared that he agreed to his words and took him to the seashore. The pilot wanted to throw a ball into the sea. That ball was actually a water-absorbing ball. The aliens had run out of water on their planet, and their purpose for coming to Earth was to get water. The humanoid spaceship captain broke the outer layer of the ball with his left hand and took out the real water-absorbing ball inside. As he was about to throw the ball with his right hand suddenly started catching his left hand automatically. Actually, when the captain returned to the spaceship, he had regained control of his right hand. Then a fight broke out, and the people walking on the road also stopped at that very moment. The humanoid spaceship captain stumbled backwards, and the water-absorbing ball slipped from his hand and fell straight into the sea. The ball started working in the seawater and began disappearing very fast. The captain quickly went to the controls and ordered that the ball be brought back, but the engineer said that the energy was almost gone, and it would take a lot of energy to bring the ball back. This meant that they would not be able to go back to their planet. But the captain decided to save the Earth. He asked his companions what to do. Everyone liked living on Earth, so he also decided to save it. He put his last remaining energy into his right hand, and the ball was pulled back. The seawater came back, and then the humanoid robot threw that ball into space. The aliens were very happy, but the spaceship's energy was now completely exhausted. Then the police came and gave the captain an electric shock on his back. A little energy came back, and the captain stood up, turned around, and slowly opened his mouth. The captain came out of his mouth and explained the whole thing to everyone. Finally, the aliens said goodbye to the people of the Earth. The spaceship closed its mouth and slowly started rising up, but then the military noticed them. They threw a big net at the spaceship, trapping it. The already weak spaceship's energy was completely exhausted, but the captain still had a plan. He put the last remaining energy into his shoes, and finally, they all flew away from the Earth in the shoes.